straight across to the left. Wow. Another one.
Another one.
Another one.
And another one's coming at us.
Whoa.
Cool.
Wow, what is that? Look at the tail.
Look at that.
Wow.
Yeah.
Look at the tail on it. That is amazing.
That is just the coolest
Holy
thing.
What is going on? Wait, look at this one over here.
Over here to the left.
Yeah.
And it's phasing out, but oh, look at that tail.
Wow. That's not even something re-entering. You don't go that slow.
Oh my God, look at
Where's
that.
the other one over here?
It phased out.
That's disappeared.
Yeah.
Whoa.
But that was what looked like that time it went through the tree.
Man, that was so quick.
Close too.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, it's still going.
Yeah.
It's still
Yeah.
down really low.
You see a massive explosion. Go and collect it, quick.
Holy shit, what is that?
Where's it going?
But there was two of them and they split up. One went this way and went up. Yeah.
And it phased out, and
You
the
asked
other
for a
one went.
finale, we got one.
Yeah.